Welcome everyone to Tuesdays with Monday. I'm Naya, and today we really just want to focus on three areas. For one, CRE or commercial real estate can get extremely messy. There are a lot of things going on, whether it be offer memos in your inbox or updates getting buried amongst other threads in your email. There's a lot of things to keep track of and manage, and so I am very happy to be here today to show you guys how we can manage these deals and make sure that nothing falls through the crack using monday.com. So our main focus areas are going to be one, using AI to minimize data entry through extraction. One example that we're going to use or use case is going to be extracting information from an offer memo. Number two, automated and templatized workflows. We are going to show you how to manage the due diligence process, which has a number of different elements involved, using a template. And number three, we are going to just talk about visibility. And so, of course, that is far reaching. We're going to talk about visibility in terms of dashboards and also visibility in terms of managing the RFP process. Without further ado, I am going to hop straight into the leads board. And so in this leads board, you guys will see that we have just some high level information, right? The point of contact, maybe the broker, property name, the company or the property owner, asking price, property type or asset class, in addition to the source, market, and email. Very simple, very high level, and it is like that for a reason. For one, a lot of times we're meeting people on the fly, whether it's us trying to capture information after coming back from a site visit, or if we hear things about an off-market property coming onto the market. These are things that we want to capture that we may not have all the information for, but we definitely want to get it in the system. So as you guys can see here, we also have we have a number of different ways that we can actually capture this information. So we can capture it in a tabular form, so kind of like Excel, but we can also do so through a Monday form. So some of you guys I know are familiar with Monday forms, but for those of you guys who are not, Monday form is a way that we can capture lead information both internally and externally. So we can share this with brokers and investors, but we can also share it amongst our colleagues within the organization to submit lead data. So here we have already populated information, and I wanted to just go back really quickly to show you. I'm taking a look at this form right here that I've created. So it's actually housed within the leads board. And when you select that form, it'll bring you to this form that we have right here. So I have all my information updated. So I'm going to go ahead and select submit. And you will see how easy it is to capture that information. Here we go. Naya Wardlaw, Purple Plum property. And just like that, we have the information. So once we've taken a look at this high level information, we can decide, of course, whether or not we would like to move forward with this property. So I'm going to take David here. David from Parkview Investors, asking price is $65,000. I'm looking for, a lot of land that meets my investment criteria. I'm going to go ahead and progress David to the next part, which is opportunities. And a few things are going to happen here. For one, David is going to move into this qualified lead area. There's also going to be a contact that is created, and there's also going to be an account that is created. And so this is kind of boring stuff here. If you guys are familiar with a Rolodex, this is just like a Rolodex for your contacts and accounts. I am going to move forward. I've already qualified David. He is already over here. And so all of his information is populated. So I'm just going to change David back because David is in the initial review. And once you qualify someone, it will automatically land in the initial review. Well, at least according to our workflow. And that's the beauty of Monday. If you guys do things differently at your Organization. We can cater and make it to spec. So everything is flexible and robust at the same time. And so that's one of the things that I really love about Monday.